Welcome to Permacrafters class on zero waste menstruation. Do you get periods? Experience Shark Week? If the answer is a yes and you are ready to ditch single-use menstrual products that trash the environment and carry potential health risks, then you are in the right spot. This class guides you through alternatives to plastic-filled single-use tampons and pads and introduces reusable, safe products like menstrual cups, period underwear, cloth pads, and more. I'll answer all your questions about how to use them, how to choose them, the pros and cons, and any fear or concern or questions that you have about finding the most earth-friendly option that is safe and that works. Since periods aren't just about handling the blood flow, we've also included a section on zero-waste period care, where you will learn the best practices to curb menstrual pain, and I'll walk you through how to make your own pain relief tincture and teas, syrups, poultices, compresses, and even foot soaks for easing PMS and period symptoms. So if you're a person who menstruates and cares about the health of the planet and your vagina, we created all this content for you, so I hope to see you in class.